Hi, in this video we're going to talk about some interesting exponents. But first let's review some basics of exponents. So let's take a simple example like 4 to the third power. So let's remember that 4 is the base and the raised number, in this case 3, is the exponent. So the exponent tells us how many times to multiply the base times itself. So this means that I will multiply 4 times itself 3 times, or I'll have 3 4s multiplied together. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 again is 64. So 4 to the third power is 64. But what happens when you have an exponent of 1? Let's say I have 5 to the first power. Well, following our logic, I would have the base 5, and I would only write it 1 time. So 5 to the first power is equal to 5. Now, what if I have 5 to the 0 power? This is a little bit more complicated. Most students, if I ask them what 5 to the 0 power is and they don't know the rule, they'll make a guess, and usually their guess is either 0 or 1. Let's take a look at a pattern that can help us decide which of those answers makes more sense. So let's take a look at 2 to the first power. 2 to the first power is equal to 2. 2 to the second power is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, 3 2's, which is 8. 2 to the fourth power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. And 2 to the fifth power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 32. And of course this pattern just continues and continues. So if we were to look at the change going this way, we see that each time we're multiplying by 2. And that completely makes sense because every time we increase the exponent by 1, we multiply by 2 one more time. Well, if we were to follow the pattern in reverse, we can also see that going the other direction. From 32 to 16, I'm dividing by 2. And from 16 to 8, I'm dividing by 2. And from 8 to 4, I'm dividing by 2. And from 4 to 2, I'm dividing by 2. So if I follow that pattern to its logical conclusion, 2 divided by 2 gives me 1. So 2 to the 0 power is equal to 1. And in fact, any number to the 0 power is equal to 1. So for example, if I were to take 317 to the 0 power, that would be equal to 1. And if I were to take 1,245,837 to the 0 power, that would also be 1. So to review, if you take any number, like 17, and raise it to the first power, then you just get the number itself. But if you take that number and you raise it to the 0 power, you will always get 1.